Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we break down skincare claims, product promises, and online marketing hype to help you avoid scams and make smart choices. Today, we're reviewing Koriderm Time Reverse Cream, a product that claims to give you radiant, glass-like skin and reverse aging. But is it legit or just another online marketing trick? Let's find out. So here's what Koriderm says on their website. Achieve instant radiant glass-like skin, restore youthful volume and smooth deep lines, reduce visible wrinkles and saggy skin, all-in-one anti-aging solution with clinically proven results. These are big claims, and they sound amazing. Who wouldn't want that? But we always need to dig deeper before trusting them. First, let's see what evidence they offer. A clinically proven claim should be backed by real studies with references, like peer-reviewed research or trials published by recognized labs. Often, products like this will show vague statements or clinical study results, but won't link to real scientific documentation. If there's no verifiable study, that's a red flag. Here are some warning signs we look out for. No verifiable scientific studies attached website uses before and after photos that seem heavily edited or generic. No transparent ingredient list with clear explanations of how it works. Exaggerated promises like instant results. Real visible change takes time. Products that promise instant glass skin or dramatic anti-aging effects overnight are usually exaggerating to get clicks and sales. Now let's talk ingredients. Many anti-aging creams contain things like hyaluronic acid, retinol, peptides, or vitamin C, which science shows can help with hydration and fine lines over time. That's great, but even proven ingredients cannot work miracles overnight. So if Koriderm relies heavily on marketing buzzwords, that should make you pause. What about real user feedback? We checked several review platforms, and here's what we found. A mix of generic testimonials. Some reviews copied word for word across different sites. Very few independent reviews outside of the brand's own website. When you only see positive testimonials on the sales page itself, that's not enough to prove effectiveness. So is Koriderm Time Reverse Cream legit or a scam? It's not necessarily a scam, but the claims are exaggerated and not fully backed by reliable clinical evidence. The product might contain useful skincare ingredients, but you shouldn't expect instant miracles just from the website's big promises. If you decide to try it, always check the return policy and do a patch test first. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more honest product investigations. Have you tried Koriderm? Comment below with your experience. Let's talk real results. This is Online Scam Advisor, helping you navigate online claims with confidence. Thank you.